to our channel. Yes guys, I'm excited because I'm live in the city of Ikot Ekpene in Akwa-Ibom State. Yeah, I've been hearing about this city right from when I was a child. In fact, we read about it in our books in school way back from primary, secondary. I've been hearing about Ikot Ekpene, so I'm excited to actually finally visit the city. Yes, I'm coming from Uyo. Actually, I'm heading to Enugu, so I'm going to be using the Ikot Ekpene Aba Road because they said that is better than the Umuahia axis. So I'm excited to finally see the city, and I didn't just want to experience it alone. I wanted to share the view of the city with you guys. So we are live in Ikot Ekpene, Oxum Road. The road is from Uyo to Ikot Ekpene. Nice road, nice drive, no pothole at all, dual lane, Oxum. And we are live in the city. You can see street lights, road network is great, and I learned that is how it is even inside the city town, you know. So I'm excited. If you're a returning subscriber seeing this video, thank you very much. I do appreciate you. And if you are seeing our video for the first time, we are welcoming you officially to Arlin TV. Yes, we do videos like this and a lot more in our channel. Yeah, so please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. And like I said in all our video of recent, I said we are trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. Please do well to help click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell, and also help us share to your loved ones as well. We'll be more than excited to get to 5,000 subscribers. So guys, enjoy the view of Ikot Ekpene with me. Yeah, this is 2022 obviously, so we are live in the city. A lot has been said, a lot of persons know Ikot Ekpene via books, but not they've never visited. So I'm excited to bring this to you that we are in Ikot Ekpene this morning. So guys,